Not every repair product actually repairs the barrier. Marketing language can make any product sound barrier friendly. Instead of focusing on claims, look at function. Ask yourself, does this product reduce water loss? Does it contain skin compatible lipids? Does it support consistency, not constant switching? Barrier supportive products work quietly over time. They don't rely on instant sensation. Learning how to evaluate products is more powerful than memorizing brand names. I walk through this evaluation process step by step inside my barrier repair formula kit linked below.